Namaskar, Jai Jagannath. I am Engineer Pramod Kumar Sethi, a motivational speaker and author. Today we discuss a beautiful topic regarding the biography of J.R.D. Tata, the businessman and the greatest pioneer of the Indian. The effectiveness execution of plan is what counts and not mere plan on paper. This word is told by the J.R.D. Tata. To see this video for last, you learn more what is real enthusiastic, what is really motivation, you learn from this video. Jahangir Ratanji Dadabhai Tata was the pioneer aviator and important businessman of India. He had the honor of being India's first pilot. Tata was also the chairman of Tata and Sons for 50 years. He launched the Indian International and Indian First International Airlines. He received the Bharat Ratna in year 1992. Tata was born July 29, 1904 in Paris. He was the second child of Mr. Ratanji Dadabhai Tata. He spent much of his childhood in France since his mother was French, while his father was in Persia. He was educated in France, Japan and England before being drafted into French army for a mandatory 1-year period. J.R.D. wanted to extend his service in force, but destiny had something else in store for him. He left the France army. J.R.D. life was saved because shortly thereafter his regiment in which the Serb was totally wiped out during the expedition of Marco. In 1922, Tata returned to India to join family business. He inherited most of the grandfather Jamshedji industrial empire, but first became a pioneer in aviation. He had a great personality with a charm of style of his own. After his father's death in 1926, Tata became the director of the board of Tata Sons Limited. Eventually, in 1938, he became the chairman of the company. Under his leadership, Tata Sons expanded into one of the largest industrialist empire in country, from iron works and steel works into chemical, hotels, engineering and lots of the industries. In 1945, Tata Steel promoted the Tata Engineering and Locomotive Company Telco with the objective to produce locomotive from Indian Railways. Today, Telco has emerged as country's largest commercial vehicle producer. J.R.D. was the trustee of Sri Dadabhai Tata Trust from the inception of 1932. Huge remains under his wings for over half a century. Under his guidance, this trustee established Asia's first cancer hospital in Tata Memorial Center of Cancer Research and Treatment, Bombay in 1941. It also founded the Tata Institute of Social Science in 1936. The Tata Institute of Fundamental Research 1945 TIPTOR and the National Center of Performing Arts. J.R.D. Tata was the first Indian pilot to qualify British private license. He founded the Tata Airlines in 1932. By 1953, it developed and came to come as Indian Airlines. Till 1978, Tata was chairman of the Indian Airlines and Air India. His innovation in Indian fledgling hotel and tourist industry, as well as his contribution to scientific and technical research and corporate management, gained public recognition from the Indian government. J.R.D. Tata received a number of awards. He received Padma Vibhushan in 1957 in EV of Silver Jubilee of Air India. He also received Guggenheim Medal for Aviation in 1988. In 1992, because of his selfless humanitarian endeavors, J.R.D. Tata was awarded India's highest civilization honor in Bharat Ratna, one of the rarest instances in which this award was granted during a person's lifetime. In the same year, J.R.D. Tata was also bestowed in Union National Population Award for the questioned endeavor towards initiation and successful implementation in family planning movement in India. He initiation of family planning in India much before it became a official government policy. J.R.D. Tata has died in Geneva, Switzerland on November 29, 1993 at age of 89. This is the biography of J.R.D. Tata, the Indian pioneer. We teach us what is the motivation, what is the enthusiastic, what is the milestone of world as a Indian people. So if you come to this my video for first time, to link this video and to like and share your willingness, and also mention in your comments what type of video you want from me. Lastly, thanks for watching. Namaskar.